Hey, a good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at dollar yen. On the daily chart, have I not tell you that I'm waiting to buy at this area? So for those who have shorted, according to your trade plan, of course, congratulations, it's a great move. To the 4-hour chart, you can see that we have a bullish engulfing candle that has already happened. So right now, I'm just waiting for a retracement back down to the previous low for a buying opportunity. Okay. You can see over here it looks like a bullish engulfing, but if you look closely, it never break and close above the high. That's why rules are very important. Down to the 1-hour chart, this is what we got. Pretty much look like a double bottom over here. So we are waiting for a pullback anyway to treat it as a buying at the support level. Back to the daily chart, let me share with you my analysis over here. So over here, before I share with you my analysis, you get to see this what you call the indicator that plots the support and resistance level for you. Just scan this QR code, you get to get into our chat room and discuss with us with your trading ideas and stuff like that as well. Both Mandarin and English is fine. Scroll down further, you get to learn Forex for free over here. Trading course for beginners. Alright, so I pretty much can promise you the content is pretty interesting, not those basic you're looking at. And we are looking to add more contents for you. And you scroll further down, you get to see our trade ideas as well. Alright, structure-based trading and harmonic pattern trading as well. Alright, so back to the daily chart, let me share with you my analysis over here. The resistance level 10680 and 10787 is the major level that we are looking at. Especially we are looking for a trend reversal, that means buying opportunity on longer term. All right, down to the 4-hour chart. Once again, we have this bullish engulfing candle, but my move is on the 1 hour. So I'm waiting for a retracement back down, and I'm going to do a trend reversal trade. You hear me right? It's not just a counter trend. So trend reversal, and these are the targets I'm looking at. Pretty good reward is to risk. I think to target one, I got a 10:1 or at least a 8:1 reward is to risk ratio, provided that the market retraces back down and shoot all the way up. This is an important level for me. Look at 10479. And what I can do over here, just in case the market just head up and it never retraces back down, I can send an alert USDJPY resistance level. Just put support resistance. Alright, and I'll decide once the market came here. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. Scan the QR code, looking forward to see you soon in our community. Till then, remember always plan your trade and trade your plan. See you guys soon.